What up, Roundup homies? It's my birthday, and I want to share with you in this video 3 things that have given me massive success over the last year, what I've learned. Today, I'm turning 46, so I want to share with you my experiences, 3 things that have helped me earn extra money so you can implement them and deploy in your business right now in 2022 and beyond. Let's get it. All right, class, it's Kris Haskins with therealestateroundup.com. You know my mission and ministry is to raise your financial literacy through real estate investing and entrepreneurship. So today, let's get it. I want to talk to you. It's just me and you, nobody else. I'm not doing this video for optimizational purposes. I'm not doing this video to trick or even get rankings in YouTube with the algorithms, none of that. I want to pour into you. I love you, Roundup. I want to see you successful. And in my short time here on planet Earth, I want to make impact. I want to say, look, Grandpa Haskins made a difference in my community. So the first thing that's given me massive success, I want to talk to you right now. Obviously, you know it's real estate, but not only doing fix and flips, wholesaling, creative financing and all that stuff, but there are some other industries that orbit around traditional real estate and fix and flips and all that stuff, long-term holds, where you don't even have to own the house. I'm talking about short-term rentals, right? So I'm going to show you, I'm going to put on the screen right here. Look at this. I have one Airbnb that I don't even own, right? Here is what we made in 2021. We made almost $35,000 on one little measly 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse, right? So I want to open your mind up to short-term rentals. So further stretch you, because we're doing something called travel nurse rentals right now. I'm working on a training product for you for that. Now, all of you that watch this too, oh man, my birthday gift to you, I'm gonna give you a copy of the Real Estate Negotiating Bible for free, for the free, right? So that information, it's gonna be a code or something. I don't know how they're gonna do it. Make sure you go to the video description. You can get the Real Estate Negotiating Bible for no charge. I want you to become a master negotiator because real estate is a people business. How in the world are you going to go out there and make money in real estate if you don't know how to talk to people, right? That is the number one skill you're going to have to learn. Everything in real estate is about a person. Every time I buy a house, a person has to sign the deed. Every time I list a house, a realtor has to come do the paperwork. Every loan I've ever gotten is from a human being signing on a dotted line. Home inspectors, appraisals, contractors. Everything is boiled down to a human being in real estate. So think about the other industries that are orbiting the traditional real estate. And I showed you one with Airbnb. It's a booming business. So make sure you at least look into it. Short-term rentals for the next year. I wish I would have done it so long ago. You don't even have to own a house. So the next thing I want to share with you is just with the state of our market right now. We have just about 4,800 houses for sale right now. This is going to be active listings. That's active listings, active houses that are for sale. And just last year, at the same time, which was still down, we had 6,000. So the market is trending down if you see the graph here. And we all know, we all understand, even from a kid, what happens when there's low supply. Demand goes up and in real estate prices go up. So you got to at least consider getting into the real estate business because you see it's trending downwards, and this is everywhere indicative of markets all around the country. The next thing is we're going to be talking about multiple streams of income. Roundup. You're going to have to figure out, and not only if you're in real estate, a multiple stream inside of real estate is creative financing, fix and flips, long-term holds, short-term rentals. That still orbits around real estate, but I want to talk to you about the internet. As we move into this metaverse and everybody wants to be living in the internet, I notice my daughters, when they wake up in the morning, the first thing that they want to do, boom, get on those goggles. The internet, if you're not at least weaving something in your business into the internet, I think you're going to get left behind. So there are several ways for me. What has worked for me over the last year has been, we do YouTube. You're on it right now. We get paid for every view. Inside of the YouTube, we're able to sell different types of products and services. And another way that we can do products is you don't even have to own a product. You can do something called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you team up with another investor or another product creator that has already developed the product for you. And I'm going to be transparent. Every time you see a guest on my show, they pay us a small fee to bring them on out of every sale. So all you have to do is flap your lips and get the right people on there. But we do screen heavily the people that we bring on. I go through all the products to make sure that they're official. So every time you see somebody, we're doing a joint venture. So Roundup, I'm begging you, at least consider the internet for your 2022 and beyond. The reason I'm saying this is because number 3, look at this graph down here. Remote working is still at an all-time high. And based on newgallup.com, 90% of people that have been working from home want to stay working from home. So look at these numbers here. The green line shows people that work from home exclusively, 40%, and that's still today, 40% people working from home. And what is this? So, and 26% work from home partially. So I know a lot of people might go to work 2-3 times a week, but they still have some type of their day job working from home. And as we move into the metaverse, you're going to be able to put on those goggles, those glasses, and see everybody in the office and have meetings. I'm going to be going to my first real estate investing meetup virtually next month. It's crazy, right inside the metaverse. So 67% of the employees have some type of stay-at-home work implemented into their jobs still today. So that further brings us to internet marketing. Why aren't you having some type of product or service you can sell over the internet? Because the majority of people are still working from home, okay? I gotta get this through your head. So when people work from home, what do? They still surf the internet so they can look at other income producing opportunities that you can create for them, training courses, digital products, services where you can do coaching and training. And by the way, we're going to be opening up my coaching and training mastermind. So make sure you're subscribed. And if you want to learn more about that Airbnb thing, I'm going to put a video right there so you can see how my Airbnb, how we set it up, what it looks like inside, how much money that we make on a monthly basis. That video will walk you step by step how to do that. So let's stay with the internet, and I'm going to let you get out of here so I can go enjoy my one day out of the year where I can kind of go get my lobster and my dinner with my wife this evening. Continuity programs. One of the things that I had no idea, I was used to paying into continuity programs. That's going to be cell phone, electricity bill, car payment, insurance, all that stuff. That's called a continuity program. So for us, we have several of them, of which I don't even have to create the product. So a lot of the products and services that we offer, I don't even make them. So if you have some type of subscription service where you search comps, we can team up with other companies like that have the service, and all you have to do is offer it to the marketplace. You can run ads and people can get the service, and literally all you are is the messenger. You're bringing the message to the marketplace, and you can let the other company fulfill that product, the service. So think about those 3 things. Multiple streams of income is just where you gotta be. From my perspective and what I'm seeing, one single income might not be able to get you the lifestyle that you want as we go to 2022 and beyond. So listen, Roundup, you are the reason that my YouTube channel has been just a success as we pass 88,000, subscribers, still getting 1 million, 2 million minutes a month. I cannot thank you enough that you allow me, little old me, little boy from Lynchburg, Virginia, by way of Hampton University, travel the world a little bit, did music business, now went into real estate, and you allow me to share the good word of real estate investing so that it can help you get freedom in your life. Now, not everybody's going to be full-time. You don't have to be full-time. Just make sure you have part-time. My mentor said, Kris, you can do this business full-time or part-time, but not sometime. So make sure you plan it, whether it's 1, 2, 3 hours a day or a week. You're going to have to put the time in. Chris Chico told me you got to get the reps. Reps are what make the bodybuilders get big. And you're going to have to do that too if you want to see some type of success in your business. So take a second, Roundup, subscribe, like this content if I've helped you, and enjoy today. This is my birthday gift to you. Go below, click on the video description, get my book for I'm charging no fee, for free because you watched. That link is right below. Smash that like button, and I will see you on the next video. I love you, Roundup. Kris Haskins over and out. Peace.